Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Trim 1. 5 pounds pork to 1 inch thickness and pat dry before seasoning. Use 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and rub the meat with 2 tablespoons olive oil so the surface is evenly coated. For bright tomato pairing, add 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar and 1 teaspoon smoked paprika to the rub. Marinate pork for 30 minutes up to 2 hours in the refrigerator, covered. Longer will intensify flavor, but 8 hours is unnecessary for this cut. Heat a heavy skillet until very hot, then sear the pork for about 3 minutes per side to develop a brown crust. Do not overcrowd the pan. Reduce heat to medium, push pork to one side, and add 1 14-ounce can crushed tomato, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 cup chicken broth, and 1 minced garlic clove. Stir to combine. Nestle pork into the sauce, cover, and simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes until an internal temperature of 145 degrees F is reached and the sauce thickens. When pork reaches 145 degrees F, remove from the sauce and let it rest for 5 minutes to retain juices, then slice against the grain into roughly 1/4 inch pieces for tenderness. While pork rests, return sauce to medium heat. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon chopped fresh basil to balance acidity and add shine. Serve pork over 1 cup cooked rice or alongside 1 pound roasted vegetables, spooning hot tomato sauce over the slices, and garnish with cracked black pepper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.